Hello students, I am Santosh Kumar Singh, your subject teacher of biology. You have read about the chapter that is reproductive health. Today we will discuss about the some question answer of NCERT and other than NCERT. So let's understand one by one. Is sex education necessary in a school? Why? It is necessary because sex-related aspects and avoid myths and misconceptions. Reproductive organ, adolescence, and its related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices, and sexual transmitted diseases. So, understand about this. Next question is, what do you think is the significance of reproductive health in a society? So, it helps to aware the people to about the birth control method and advantage of a small family. Except it is also necessary for STDs. Next one, that is suggests the aspect of reproductive health which is need to be given a special attention to present scenario. So what are the present scenario? Like problem due to uncontrolled population growth, social evils like sex abuse and sex related crimes. Next one is what are the suggested reason for population explosion? So suggested reason for population explosion are decline in death rate, decline in maternity mortality rate, decline in infant mortality rate. Infant mortality means child mortality rate. Next one is the use of contraceptive justified. Give reason. Use of contraceptives is justified because the population growth at this rate would lead to an absolute scarcity of basic requirement like food, shelter and clothing. Means it will be shortage due to the population explosion. Removal of gonads cannot be considered as a contraceptive option. Why? Because we cannot replace whenever these necessary. So this is not considered as a contraceptive option. Removal of gonads. What is the mean by reproductive health according to WHO? WHO means World Health Organization. It means total well-being in physical, emotional, behavioral and social aspects of reproduction. Next one is that is what are the objective of RCH? RCH. The objective of RCH is creating awareness among the people about various reproduction related aspects. Next, providing facilities and support for building up a reproductively health society. So these are main objective of the RCH. Next, mention one positive and negative application of amniocentesis. Amniocentesis means to check about the fetus. So positive application, any genetic disorder of the fetus can be detected, and negative application, it is misused for sex determination and female feticides. Next question is why tubectomy considered as contraceptive method? In tubectomy, the surgical intervention block the transport of ovum and hence the conception. So it is considered as contraceptive method. What is MTP? That is medical termination of pregnancy, and it is legalized in 1971. Why is MTP carried out? MTP are performed to remove unwanted pregnancies as in following cases. What are the cases? Number one, where the fetus is suffering from an incurable diseases. Next, where pregnancy has occurred due to unwanted events like any disease. Name any two assisted reproductive technologies ART that helps infertile couple to have children. These are the GIFT, ICSI and test tube baby program. These are the assisted reproductive technologies. Give reason why family planning techniques are not adopted by all in our country. Because not fully awareness of the method, fear of some of the possible ill effect, and religious belief. Next one, emotional and social factor also responsible for it. In list the probable causes of infertility. The reason for infertility may be congenital or hereditary diseases, use of certain drugs, immunological responses, some diseases, psychological factors, and certain physical factors also responsible for infertility. Name 6 venereal diseases. Venereal diseases means STD, sexual transmitted diseases. These diseases are syphilis, gonorrhea, trichomoniasis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, and AIDS. These are the venereal diseases which are spread through the physical contact. Next one, what are the advantages of oral pills and disadvantages? Advantage is they are effective with lesser side effect and they are reversible. Next, disadvantage, if the correct schedule is not followed, it can lead to pregnancy, and hormones of the pills may cause side effect if taken for long period. Next one, surgical method. Advantage, they are highly effective, and disadvantage, the reversibility is very poor in surgical method. Infections can occur after surgery if performed under unhygienic condition. Next question is that condom are the most popular contraceptive devices used by human males. Reason, because condom provide an additional benefit of protection from STD and AIDS. Since they are self-inserted, they give privacy to the user and they are disposable and are easily available. They do not interfere with the sexual act of the user. Next, what are the problems expected from population explosion? Population explosion will lead to an absolute scarcity of, I had told this question before, because scarcity of food, shelter, clothing, etc. and these despite the progress made in those areas, and employment opportunity also will be very low. Mention the age where studies are reported to be very high. The age group is 15 to 24 year in the age group. That's why it is in your syllabus. Name 2 studies that are not curable: AIDS, genital herpes, and hepatitis B. Mention the primary aim of ART, that is assisted reproductive technology, which help in this process. So thank you, have a nice day. You have read about the NCERT question and related other question. Revise this question answer properly and learn it.